Makora gi Muthaiga Golf Club motelo ne tuke mag golf maiga ni mong'ere kaka Patrons Cup mabiro timore Muthaiga Golf Club tarik 23 nyaka 25 dweni. E makruok makamano, Viutravel ombeko nego wuoth ne jotugo kochakore adhula nyaka golf. Nego mar wuoth ne jotugo mag golf biro nywako nyaka jotugo madhi South Africa ka biro nywako otiko mar ndege nindo dala bich e pinyno timo limbe kod nego mar tugo golf e pinyno.
Sport in the country because it has an opportunity to sell or market the country in a big way. So for us to achieve this dream, we need partners, because if you want to go far in a journey, you have to go with someone else. Otherwise, if you go alone, you can only achieve maximum the potential you have.
Basically, travel is not limited, to the traditional way we travel. We also have sports travel, which is growing. And as my host here said, his dream is to see this grow. So with Viutravel, we are also sharing the same dream. We want one day to be bringing in international, audiences to come and watch the competition here domestically.